In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to collect information from visitors, whether you're managing event registrations, collecting emails for newsletters, or simply engaging with your audience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Squarespace website editor. If you haven't already logged into your Squarespace account, do so now and navigate to the desired page where you want to add this registration form. Once inside the editor, look for the option that says Add Block. This feature allows you to add various elements to your page, and in this case, we're going to choose from the available forms. Next, click on that Add Block button, which will bring up a menu of different types of content you can insert. From here, select Form. This is a customizable element that can be tailored to fit the needs of your registration process. By default, the form might not look exactly like what you envisioned, but don't worry, we can edit it extensively in the upcoming steps. Now that you have inserted the form block, the next thing you need to do is click on Edit. This option is crucial because it allows you to modify the form's details and fields to suit your specific requirements. The first detail you might want to change is the name of the form. Click where it says Form Name and type in something relevant like Event Registration or Newsletter Sign-up. Then proceed to Edit Form Fields. This is where you can tailor the form to collect precisely the type of information you need. Look at each existing field and consider whether it's necessary. For those fields you don't need, simply select them and click Remove. This ensures that you're only displaying what's relevant and necessary for your registration process. After you've removed undesired fields, you'll want to add any specific fields you might need. Hit the Add Field button and you'll see a variety of options to choose from, such as text fields, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and more. Select the type of field that best fits the information you're collecting. Feel free to get creative and thorough with your selections, whatever helps you engage effectively with your registrants. Finally, once you've configured your fields and are satisfied with how everything looks and functions, remember to click on Save. This action ensures that all your hard work in setting up the form is preserved and ready to be used by your visitors. And there you have it. Your registration form is now live on your Squarespace site, ready to capture valuable information from your audience. With these steps, you can easily manage registrations, gather data, and enhance your interaction with site visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building!